Ayo, 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 ayo. Baby, it's your boy Rashad, back again. Alright, so today is a big day right now. Huge milestone. Well, you probably seen it in the title. This is going to be my first haircut. I said her. This is going to be my first haircut on my wave journey. Can I get a round of applause? This 12-week woof is finally coming off. I'll tell you this, after like week 7, well, more so week 8, the woof has been a disaster. I have not gained much progress, if I gained any progress. Actually, sometimes it felt like I lost progress. I had too much hair to control. It was getting tough to control my hair for woofing that long. So like I said in my last video, I'm only gonna be woofing max 4 to 5 weeks. This 3-month woof, it ain't it. But that being said, let's go to my mirror. Now it's time for the haircut. What you gonna need? Clippers, trimmers, guards, cool care spray, and all your lubricants or whatever you use. A comb, but this is not needed, but it's optional. I like using it. Aftershave and a brush. This is too much stuff for one haircut, but yeah, let's get started before I drop these stuff, and then I'm gonna regret it. Now let's see how my waves are looking right now. I washed the style yesterday. I brushed 3 times yesterday, but I didn't brush today. So. Not looking too crazy, but this is about to come off. I'm having looking like, can I get $1 to... Hi, I got you guys. So right now, I'm just combing my hair off my scalp. And I'm combing the same direction I brushed in. This is necessary. You want to lift all the hair off your scalp, so when you actually cut it, it will go through smoothly with the clippers. Do all sides. Same direction you're brushing is the same direction you're gonna comb the hair out. There's something you should do anyway before your brush sessions. Now I'm spraying my clipper with the Cool Care disinfectant, and I'm using the 3 guard, and I'm starting with the crown. Everything starts with the crown. I learned that the hard way after a while. So with the grain, let's cut it with the grain in the crown area. That's it. Same direction you brush in, the same direction you're gonna cut in. Now I'm taking the 2 guard lever open, and I'm cutting the sides and the rest of my head. Now, quick advice, don't put too much pressure on the clipper. Well, I think it depends on your texture. I'm a medium texture, so I put too much pressure on the clipper, and you see some scalp is exposed because of that. So don't put too much pressure on the clipper. But other than that, just go with the grain or the direction you brush in. Just go with that direction. With the grain means the direction you brush in. That's all. I'm telling you, it's not hard to cut your own hair. It's very simple. It's not too hard. And it's something you should consider as a waiver. You know, if you put too much work in your hair, you just don't want to let somebody else mess it up for you. So this won't be a typical tutorial. This will be like a step 1, step 2, step 3, back to step 3, back to step 1. Going back and forth with steps, because that's something that will happen in real life when you cut your own hair. And I'm just brushing my hair down with a softie. That's about it. Now to the 1 guard, and I'm cutting it with the grain in my lineup area. You want to cut it a guard size down so it'll make it look cleaner. And I'm taking some bulk off on the sides as well too. I'm going to get this grain right here though. So I'm going up about maybe half an inch. And I'm doing the same in the back as well too. Now I'm taking my BRG clippers. I'm creating a bald line right under that guideline I made. You probably might not see it on the sides, but you see it on the back. So I'm just going right under it to make that line smoother. Thank you, better lighting. So I'm just going to attack that line a little bit. Just brushing it down. Removing bulk with the 1 guard. Now I'm moving the line. I'm just going back and forth. That's pretty much what I'm doing in these two clips right here. Now I'm going with the grain as well too with the one guard. So I'm doing the no guard technique for this fade. So I'm going up with the grain. I'm going up against the grain and with the grain. Now I'm using the two and I'm taking some bulk off on the sides. And I'm just going to do a scoop out motion. That's it. I'm doing this right before my wave. Right when I reach my wave, I'm just going to scoop out. Same on all sides. Before you reach that first wave, scoop out. And then go with the grain under that. Against with the grain. This is to make a smoother transition. Against the grain, with the grain. And then I'm just moving some bulk on the top as well. Like I said, I'm repeating steps. I'm just going back to step 1, then I'm gonna go back to step 3. I'm just jumping steps, that's about it. So what happens in real life when you do your own haircut, you won't do the step by step and they think you're done. There will be stuff that will happen on the way and you gotta improvise. Remember, the same direction you're brushing, the same direction you cut it. Now I'm just brushing with a softie. Take all those hairs off, make sure everything's aligned and well. And I'm just gonna cut some bulk off, going against the grain on the bottom with the two. Just doing the scoop out, that's it. Making this transition a lot smoother. Now I'm just combing my lineup area up to lay everything down and to stretch out as much hair as possible. Stretch out all the hangover hair. Now I'm just starting the lineup. I won't do too much. I won't show too much of the lineup here. You want to see my lineup tutorial? Click the link on the right corner. I have 2 of them. I'm just tagging the line again. So the reason why I'm showing you this way is you won't see these mistakes initially. You see them afterwards. So you're gonna jump steps anyway in real life. And I'm using the corner of my clipper when I tag the line. I'm using the corner of my clipper, nothing else. And just tap it, that's it. And I go with the grain. And this comb, I'm just comb my crown area and everything else to line everything up. Make sure everything is all neat and organized. And I'm doing quick brush session with a mini brush. With a medium brush. Using my favorite Roy T light blue brush. I forgot the name of the brush, but yeah, that's my favorite brush. I'm gonna do the passive bag method. Lay all my hair down. Make sure everything is neat. Now I'm using aftershave. I'm just using that on the areas I cut. Now I want you guys to bite it off of me. Well, you can. So I'm doing the freehand trim, but I'm using my do-rag. So this is to protect you from not cutting your hair. Put a do-rag on, and some hair will escape the do-rag. That will stand up through the do-rag. That's the hair you're gonna cut off with a freehand trim. So take your time with this. Go as much hair as possible and then fill it. If it feels smooth, then you're done. And now that's the haircut. Alright guys, so I took a shower, I ate some food, you know, I was basically doing a whole lot of things to kill time while I had this do-rag on. The whole point of me having the do-rag on was to lay my hair down. And this is advice I would give after you get the fresh cut, do the brush session, elastic bag, put the do-rag on as soon as possible. And have the do-rag on while you're traveling back home. Or maybe you just got that cut and going on a date during that time while you're traveling. You can leave the do-rag on. So by the time you take it off, your hair should be laid, right? Okay, enough of me talking. Moment of truth. Alright, so usually I would do the magic trick, the bam bam bam. I won't do that today though, because this is a milestone. But I promise I'll be quick. Wait, before, I'm gonna need to boost that like button and subscribe and share with your peoples. And boost the like button for matching in the video. Finally match. Can I get a drum roll? Okay, there goes nothing. Ooh. See the cut, right? Check the back. And take it off. Finally take the roof off. It feels good. I can actually see my waves more defined now. Yeah, so if it wasn't that we were under quarantine or anything like that, man, I wish I could go out right now. I gotta show this off. I wish, look, y'all gonna see this, alright? Y'all gonna see this. I don't care, y'all gonna see this. I can't go out, so this is my going out. With that being said, if you like the cut, if you like my waves, like, I'm getting off script, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'ma see you next video.